Blake says on an episode a while back, you mentioned you were joining a Google Ads training. Which one was it? And it is good. Yes, it's very good. It's Ed Leake's Ed Leake, Leake. I'm probably saying his name wrong. He actually just sent me an email earlier today, if I could find it. But it's God tier ads. Ed Leake. Go to his YouTube channel. You can find all you need from him. Just go to YouTube and search for God tier ads, like God, G-O-D, tier, T-I-E-R, ads, or Ed Leake. As a matter of fact, let's just go check it together. Ed Leake. I'm probably mispronouncing his last name too. Like I said, I'm terrible with names. This guy right here, he's a fucking beast. He's in the UK, I think. But he's awesome, man. He's got really good training. It's probably the best Google Ads training I've purchased. He's got a really good mastermind program. It's I think $200 a month. That's what I purchased into. This guy's really good. He puts out a lot of really good information on his YouTube channel. So go check it out.